To add shipping in WooCommerce, please do the following. Make sure that you're logged in and that you've got WooCommerce installed. And then go to WooCommerce on the side and click on Settings. Then click on the Shipping tab at the top. And the first thing you're going to do is add a shipping zone in. A shipping zone is a geographic region where a certain set of shipping methods and rates apply. So for example, you could have a shipping zone for the US and a shipping zone for Europe, or a shipping zone for Canada. So we'll click up at the top, Add Zone, and we'll give the zone a name. So we'll call this All US States. And underneath, you could, for example, choose all of North America, but we're just going to choose the US. But you could just choose a particular state if you wanted, or you could limit this particular shipping zone to a zip code. We'll click Save Changes once we've got this information added in. And then you can add shipping methods in. Shipping methods are the shipping options that customers will see on the checkout page. Click on Add Shipping Method to add a shipping method, and we're going to choose flat rate. You can just keep the name as it is, or you can change the name to how you want it in here. You can choose whether it's taxable or not. You can add a cost in, so you could say shipping was $10, or you could put a formula in like this that takes 10% of the cart total and adds it on. Then click on Create and Save. You can choose to add other shipping methods in quite easily, just like free shipping or local pickup. We won't cover that in this tutorial, but it's easy enough to do. And here's a working example of a product on the store where it's $30 and it's added the shipping on at 10% to make $33.